What's up, guys? So today we got a bit of a different kind. I don't know if it's really different, we're always doing something different, but today we're going to do a little bit of a show and tell on the bikes. We've got a lot of comments and people DMing us, been like, yo, what do you have this on the bike, what have you done? And so today we're busy, we're going to explain, or rather just show you guys what we have done to the bikes and what we are, not necessarily planning, but you know, what we've done to the bikes, what's on it, and kind of like features that come stock standard with the bikes. But that's the gist of what we're going to try and do today. Don't see a path. So I'm just gonna do that. Because I stand here. Yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to talk about Katrina. So Katrina is a 2017 Kawasaki Z800. She is the ABS version. You get both. I decided to go with the ABS because stopping is important on a motorcycle, I think. I don't know, I've never used them. But basically we just wanted to run this through because a lot of the videos that we've posted, we get the comments going on about the sound of the bike.
Have you started it?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I was gonna explain to you the plan.
Huh?
I was gonna explain to you the plan.
Oh, okay.
We're doing a bit of role play.
Huh?
We're doing a bit of role play.
Oh, say less.
Okay. I just
So, reconstructed pipe. Oh, this is the reconstructed pipe. She was designed, made and manufactured at Reconstructed, so it's not a collab pipe like Green's pipe. This one is full through and through Reconstructed, and that is the Reconstructed sticker. It comes at a price that's equivalent to like an arm, a leg and a small toe, sometimes a rib, depending on what you want to do with it. Other than that, what I've done to Katrina is I replaced the tailpiece, the bracket, with a smaller Puge bracket, and obviously the only thing that's a little bit annoying is the size of the indicators on the back versus the chunky monkey indicators on the front. Gets a bit difficult, but obviously as a rider you don't really pay attention to too much of that stuff. So besides, most of the people that will view my bike will be from the back.
bringing me to... Wait, can you just pull on the brakes for me quickly? Them Zeds. Ooh. That is another...
Are you showing the Z?
Yeah.
Oh.
That is another point of the bike. The Z800 and the Z650, I believe. Obviously the Z400 and those as well. They come out with the Zs, but I think the Z800 is the bigger one, the last of the bigger ones that came out with the Zs, where the Z900, the Z1000, the ZX10, they all come with different brake lights. So yeah, that's Katrina, all in a nutshell, wrapped up. And yeah, are you now going to talk about...
I'm going to talk trash about your bike now.
Fuck.
But it's kind of difficult because there's not much to hate on, is it? I guess I can knock at the fact that it's not 1,000. I mean...
Yeah, that's obvious. The Z800.
Yeah, I guess that's it.
That's like hating on a red Ferrari being red.
Listen, I'm trying to find shit. I'm trying to find content.
You can't. She's perfect.
Huh?
You can't. She's perfect.
I guess I don't like the fact that it doesn't have LEDs in the front. But
okay, yeah, the LEDs also, they kind of...
Granted,
when we ride at night, I stay behind you because that thing lights up.
But you can't, because it's only like... I honestly think from like 2019, it became a normal thing for like bikes to have LEDs. Look at all the other bikes. They don't really come with LEDs. It's just that, like, I haven't had a bike before that had LEDs. So I guess
yeah,
you
but
can
that's because you used to drive. That's because you used to ride trash bikes until I introduced it to Kawa. Yeah,
I'm not going to talk about those
Checkmate.
days.
Checkmate.
Have you mentioned that you put a DNA in it?
No, I didn't.
So what you've done? You've done the slip-on. You've done DNA. You've done tail tidy. You've done mirrors.
And I have one of these.
Oh yeah, the little protectors. I need to get me one, but it's difficult to get for the Z1000 because they're two different pieces.
Yeah, I'd rather take a stone to this and a knee to an arrow to that knee than, you know.
Yeah, no, I hear you. I guess we do my bike now.
Huh?
I guess we do my bike now. Okay. Alright, well, so this is the 2019, I guess 2020 Z1000R. The 2019 and 2021s didn't change much. Specifically, this one is the R edition, which means that you get the Öhlins rear suspension and Brembo front brakes. Now, I don't know how much of a difference it makes compared to the normal one, but it is cool to say that I have Öhlins and Brembos. So what have I changed on this bike? Okay, so obviously I've done the pipe. So this, similar to the Z800, this is a reconstructed designed pipe. So they designed this pipe with a carbon tip and the slash cut. However, they got Stealth, which is a local brand or a local company in South Africa that actually made or manufactured the pipe. That one, however, is manufactured in-house at Reconstructed. I did the tail tidy. The tail tidy was awful originally. It was really ugly. So I actually made this plate myself because I really did like the stock indicators. They are big, but they're really bright. Initially I did have an integrated tail light, but it wasn't bright. Can you remember when I had my integrated, how awful it was?
Ah, disgusting.
The problem was is that you couldn't see when you were indicating. The brakes were alright, I guess, but you couldn't.
What?
The brakes, like the brake light.
No, it wasn't. Nothing about that integrated was good. The brake lights or the indicators.
At night it was okay.
Nope.
At night it was decent.
It was just barely visible.
So at night you can't see if I was braking. You couldn't see if anything was changing. You saw a light, but that was about it, wasn't it? So after buying the integrator, and I ran it for how long? Maybe like 3 months or something.
Yeah.
Then I was like, no, fuck that. I'm gonna make my own tail tidy, because all the
DIY with green.
all the tail lights or the tail tidies, they were really expensive, and I none of them really fit what I wanted, because I wanted the stock indicators to match the front ones. So I made this. I just spray painted it.
That bothers me.
Huh?
That bothers me.
What?
Your cap.
My nipple.
It doesn't go on all the way.
You're just gonna nitpick my bag like that?
I just saw it now and I was like, ew.
Okay, well anyway, these are the stock indicators. I made a bracket for them. They look real nice. I'm very happy with them. I have done DNA filter as well. Like I said, the pipe is just a slip-on, so that's just the stock headers with the slip-on. DNA filter. Yeah, that's how it is. We haven't done much to the bikes really.
We actually haven't. Aside from the pipes and the air filters.
That's it, yeah. Color's real cool. The Z1000R edition specifically.
The color's pretty stock standard.
Only the R edition comes with this color scheme. The other ones are pretty bland. The Z1000R edition specifically comes with this color scheme, the Öhlins suspension, and the Brembo brakes. That's about it. That's about it.
Not really the color scheme, it's more the hexagonal pattern.
Yeah, but I mean,
because it's an R, they give you a nice sticker.
Yeah, but if you don't have an R, you don't get that sticker.
Ooh.
And I have something to brag about. I guess that's about it. There's not much. I do like the bike. I was so used to like riding sports bikes, and then when Red convinced me to get a naked, I think this was the perfect naked to switch to. I can't think of a different naked I would switch to. Maybe Super Duke. Maybe. Look, the Super Duke has a amazing power plant, but for the price that we paid for this thing.
Oh yeah.
For the
Super
price,
Duke is about double.
For a Super Duke, a brand new one, last time I checked, was $245 out the box, which is,
dude, that's more than.
No, it's not double.
It's double mine. Because out the box, the Z800 ABS is about 120. Obviously, they don't make it anymore, but out the box it was 120.
Yeah, that's double your bike.
That's double.
My bike, brand new out the box, is 180. So, saving 60k on a bike. But I mean, it's not a slow bike. Both of these bikes, they're not slow at all.
There's nothing slow about this bike.
No, they really, and I like the inline motors, man. The inline motors are just so badass. It's like honestly the best of both worlds. It's like having a sports bike and then having a naked, but you have the power plant of the sports bike, but the aggression of a naked.
Okay, and then the main thing you hate about switching from sports bike to naked, what was it?
Hated like that.
Going from sports bike to naked, the thing you hated the most.
I don't know if I necessarily hate it. It's just sports bikes had this look. If you're on the highway and you like see someone on a sports bike, it just looks menacing. Like the whole vibe around a sports bike it's a special place in my heart, and I think there's a lot of people that will agree with me. A sports bike, there's something about a sports bike that you can't explain really. But for me, I'm a fatty and I don't have a lot of core strength, so all my weight was on my wrist. My wrist got killed every time.
On a sports bike?
Yeah, on a sports bike. Your wrist gets killed, your back gets killed. And as much as you want to deny it, once you get on this bike or on a naked, you're like, yeah, okay, no, a sports bike is quite intimidating in terms of what it does to you.
And then you suck with wind resistance.
The wind kills me still. I've had this bike for over a year now, almost 2 years now, and I'm still battling with it.
It's because you're not going fast enough.
Okay. So yeah, I guess I don't know if I've mentioned it in the videos, but I had a Suzuki GSXR 750. It was a 09. It had its pros and cons. It was
what pro?
It was a sports bike.
Oh, barely.
And it was a good look, and it was a clean 750.
And I think that's also another reason you went to 1,000 naked, because you were tired of getting hidings from the 800 every time we pulled up at a robot.
I had you on the long ends, but
Yeah, from like 180, then you started taking me.
But at the speeds where, like, remember that time where I raced a ZX10
With which bike?
with my bike?
Yeah.
Remember? He overtook me at 180, right? Almost 200.
Okay, but the speed at which he came past
Yeah,
you
yeah,
was
but
just
what I'm saying
nuts.
is, if you're racing robot to robot, everyone only sees the 0 to 100. By the time you're hitting 180, you're there. No one sees who's winning.
Exactly.
So for the part that actually counts, we're ahead.
Yeah.
So, I don't know.
And that's also why we don't really do highway runs, like highway pulls.
Yeah, because we get spanked.
We're not built
we
for
get
that, yeah.
spanked at highway pools. I mean, we get our top ends. We have our top ends. We've got really good top ends for nakeds. But if you were to sit us next to a... Oh, it's the guy again. What's up, gang gang? So yeah, I guess that's enough rambling about the bike. You told
One
me
thing
to
that irks me about your bike is the rev counter. It goes up and then over.
You don't like that?
It doesn't start.
Yeah, because... Yeah, I know what you mean.
It starts at fucking 4.
Yeah, switch it on. So...
Yeah, it
0
starts
to
here.
4, 0 to 4 is here on the little LCD, and then the LEDs light up from 4 to 11.
Yeah, what's going on there?
I didn't even know it when I bought the bike.
Who
So when I
did
got
that?
the bike, I was like, it's on 0 revs. What? And then I actually saw, oh, okay, that's how it runs. So then I was like, okay. I don't know. It's kind of cool. It's kind of gimmicky though, in my opinion. It's
I
kind of
feel
gimmicky.
like they installed this on top, and then when the supervisor came, he's like, what the hell? Why are we starting at 4? He goes, oh, oops. And then they just inserted 1 to 3 on your...
Yeah, that's about it. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Okay, I guess that's it. I don't know what else to say.
I don't know either.
That's it, we did everything.
Oh, also, okay, I know this video is going to be a little bit long. We are skyrocketing with our subs, and we're trying to keep up with like thanking everyone and whatnot. So we've hit 400. Thank you so much. We're about to hit 500. By the time that this thing's gonna, we're almost gonna hit 500. I assume. I hope. So we have a video that we made quite a while ago. It's a trip that we took to Mossel Bay in the Cape, and it was beautiful scenic routes and stuff, but we didn't have a channel set up at all yet. We didn't have microphones, we didn't have anything. So we went down as a trip, and we slapped a GoPro. We even shared a GoPro. We slapped a GoPro on and we recorded basically the adventure. So it was a little bit like a video montage type of vibe. So when we post the video, don't be surprised, because there's going to be very little context to it. This is me just basically explaining what that video is about. It was something really nice. We knew we were going to post it at some point or another. Nah, tomorrow. So as soon as we hit 500 subs, you guys are probably going to see that video drop. So just keep your eyes peeled for one of those.